Hello and welcome to another video on programming the IX series. In this video, we will be covering how to adjust call timeout and talk timeout. These are two different settings that are often mistaken for each other, so let's take a moment to quickly define them. Call timeout measures how long a station will attempt to place a call to another station. This is typically configured for the door station making the call. Meanwhile, the talk timeout measures how long the call lasts once it has been answered by the master station. This is typically configured for the master station receiving the call. To adjust a door station's call timeout, navigate to Call Settings, Call Origination. If it is not visible, scroll right to see the Call Timeout column. Under the Select column, the drop-down can be used to change from using a time range to an infinite callout. This is not recommended in most situations since it will tie up the calling station and can result in unending chimes from the door station. In the next column over is the actual call timeout. This can be any number in the time range under the Select column, usually 10 to 600 seconds. The ringtone count to the right adjusts how many times the calling station will ring before the call is answered. The options are a number of chimes between 1 and 20 or infinite. Infinite rings will produce chimes until timeout expires, which can be troublesome when combined with an infinite callout time. Once the settings have been adjusted for the door stations, click Update. To adjust a master station's talk timeout, navigate to Station Settings, Communication. Just like when we were adjusting the call timeout, the Select column can be set for a time range or to infinite. Be aware that with an infinite talk timeout, the call will continue until one side or the other ends it, which will tie up both stations. For this reason, it is not recommended for most situations. If using a time range, enter the desired time and click Update. Once the settings have been configured, navigate to File, Upload Settings to Station. Select all stations and select Settings to upload settings to all stations. Once that is finished, the call and talk timeouts will be applied to the stations. Thank you for watching.